Hello! Yay! I'm finally back with a new haircut, and a lot of my friends, they said they should like do beauty tutorials, makeup tutorials, and makeup tutorials are very difficult. That's why I'm going to try to make my first real beauty tutorial, because I've done some in the past. They are not up anymore, but they were like for fun. I did a kind of like Susie does my makeup, my alter ego does my makeup, or does her makeup, and I did a eyebrow tutorial with, like, using a pencil and my first brow cover, like putting glue and then concealer on my brow, and that's what I'm going to do now, because lately I've been trying to do drag makeup, and for that I need to block out this eyebrows, and I'm going to show you how I block out my eyebrows and how I draw on new eyebrows. So first of all, as all the beauty gurus, we have to prime our skin. I'm going to prime my skin with alcohol, because I have to wipe up all the dirt and excess oil on my eyebrows, so the glue stick can hold on better to it. It makes a difference. It makes such a difference. So after cleaning off my eyebrows, I'm going to put on my magic, and this is like, ooh, magic stick. It's like, actually it's a blue like glue stick, but it's, I don't know, it turned white on me. I don't know, I bought it when it was blue, now it's white. Now I'm going to put on the glue stick like in circular motions, like really put it on, like saturate your brow with it, because you have to saturate your brow from every side, from every direction, so it, the glue will lay down, the brow will lay down better. But I always like keep this little, like those hairs in front out, because I need them to guide me where my eyebrow will start, because I tried blocking all of my eyebrow out, and I don't know, I can't draw my eyebrow on if I don't have like these three hairs in the front to guide me, and it makes a bit of a more natural look. But I'm going to glue down the lower part of the front eyebrows. I don't know if you can tell, but maybe I should go like zoom in a bit. Yeah, let me zoom in. So as I said, I'm leaving out this part, but I'm going to glue down the lower part of my front part. I'm going to explain later why, because I'm going to explain later. Now I'm taking a spoolie and brush those hair up. And the thing is, don't brush those hair like completely up. Try to follow your natural the direction of your hair growth, like going up but still like that way and not that way, because that will help flatten your eyebrows down even further and prevent any texture. I know that helps me a lot, because if you like put your eyebrows that direction and the direction, it won't grow, it just won't lay flat, and maybe like later in the day it will come off. And now I'm going to wait for, I don't know, till it dries. I'm not going to touch it, not going to powder it, nothing, no blow dry. I just wait. I'm a patient person, so let me wait. So for the next layer, I'm going to put on some glue stick on my finger and like put it into like the crevices and creases of my eyebrow, like the hollows of the eyebrow texture, so to smooth it out. And I'm going to focus it only on the outer part, because I want this part to be smooth and the front part to be like more textured, because I'm going to draw on my eyebrows on this front part, and then we'll like the texture of my own eyebrow will help my fake eyebrow to look more natural. I blow dry my eyebrow and it's not super dry yet, but I'm going to put on some translucent powder on it, and that will help me a lot with like the drying process. But I only do that on the last step if I know that I'm ready and I'm not going to put on more glue on my eyebrows. I put some powder on my silly sponge. I don't know if you can tell, but I have like little white lines here, and that shows me that there's still like texture left, like little hollows. And the eyebrow, like in the front and the back, it's like smooth thing, and that's what I wanted. But now I can see that I didn't put enough glue on this part, and I'm going to put some glue on this part right now. Putting like right under my like front hairs, because I'm going to elevate my eyebrow that way. And if I just like glue this down and let this part, it will still be straight, because the front hairs will direct the way your eyebrow will like go. So our brow is glued down, flattened down, and now we have to put on some makeup to cover it all. So if you have like light hair, blonde hair, you can like pretty much put on some foundation and that's it. But because I have black hair, like the darkest of the darkest black hair, I have to color correct my eyebrows, and for that I'm using the NYX Dark Circle Concealer, Corrector, whatever. And I'm going to put it on. And as you can see, like I swap it on, and then we have like those little hollows and textures, and I'm going to lightly perfect it and buff it in there. Because if I don't do it and set it, we will see like my brow texture. But if I like buff it in, you can't tell anymore in the end. And the powder we used previously helps to stick down the product, because if you just put on foundation on the glue itself, it won't stick. So you need something you can stick to. I'm not going to blend it into my skin, I'm just going to set it with a powder. And now we're going to cover it up with like real foundation. I'm going to use the Kryolan TV Paint Stick in my foundation shade. I find that it's like the best thing to put on. I use so many different concealers and foundations, and this thing, just because it's a stick, I can like really press it on. Like liquids, other concealers, things, pot things, I know they kind of disrupt it, and I'm just going to put it on because it's like pure pigment. And this time I'm going to blend it onto my like face, so it's seamless. So I put it on, and now I'm buffing like the edges. I'm going to put it on more foundation later, but I'm right now just blending the edges, because I'm not going to do a full tutorial, just brow cover. And yeah, and don't put too much on your eyelid, because then it will make your eye look pretty ugly. So just be careful, don't put too much product on your eye. To really buff it in. I'm only going around the edges. I won't touch like the actual brow, just around the edges, so it goes on more smoothly into my skin. So, hope you liked my video, hope you stay tuned for different videos. And as you can see, I have no eyebrow on this side, but I have eyebrow on this side, and that's pretty awesome, yeah. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how I draw on my new drag eyebrow, because this is like my favorite part of drag makeup, to be honest, like putting a new brow on your face. So stay tuned and hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share it with the world, and we see us next week. Tschüss!